Alright guys, this is a quick video here, and we're going to look at this Amazon Basics rechargeable battery charger and battery kit. This is the one you want to get because you get the charger that holds both AA and AAA batteries, and you get both the AA and the AAA batteries themselves. This is going to give you everything at one time. Alright, so here's your charger. It's a standard outlet with the flip plug. Feels good. And then this charger has a stacked configuration of charging ports to be able to accept both AA and AAA. You get 4 of each. So we're going to open these up and throw these on the charger. Alright, so as you can see, they go in like the diagram, positive side up. The AA fits in the taller of the 2 places to put the battery in. So in the front one here, AA, and then AAA is going to go in the back one, okay? You can't put both a AAA and a AA in the same column. Okay, but you'll be able to charge a mix if you want. So let's plug this in the wall and see it power on here. All right, so I have a shipping scale that takes AA's, and I have a pen light that takes AAA's. So I've got 2 and 2 to start with. And here's a quick diagram, just showing you how to put them in. Here's some combinations. Okay. More importantly, here is a chart of the charging time. Gives you the battery size, AA, AAA, the type, the size of the battery. The AA is 2000 milliamp hours. Okay, so we're looking at the top row here, and then the AAA's are 800 milliamp hours. So we're also looking at the top row. So it's these 2 top rows. You can see that 1 AA, 2 AA's, and 1 or 2 AAA's is going to take about 3 to 4 hours and about 2 hours respectively. And then 3 and 4 batteries, you're looking at a total of about 8 hours and about 4 hours. So, plan accordingly, but you won't have to keep throwing away batteries, so it's worth it as an investment here. And I'll show you what it does when you plug it in. You're gonna have a blink for each battery that it's gonna charge. It's gonna go blink, 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 okay? And then it's gonna flash. Okay, you saw it blink 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it's flashing while they charge. So be right back. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes and the AAA's are fully charged. These batteries had some charge in them, so they're not starting from 0 out of the box. 20 minutes they were done out of the box. So let me throw these in my pen light. I'll link this down below too. Boom.
Perfect.
Stay tuned. Boom. The AA's are finished charging. That was about an hour out of the box. So I'm going to pop these in the shipping scale and test them out. I'll link this scale down below too. I've used this for like 5 years and it's been perfect. There you go. Goodbye to these. Yeah, so my first impressions are really positive. I like the flip up plug. I think it's a great deal. I like the form factor a lot. I'm big on size and having compact possessions. So this is about 4.5, 4 3/4 long. It's about 2.5 inches wide, and it's about 1.25 inches deep. It's nice and light, but it doesn't feel like stupid cheap light. Like it's got its little transformer in there, and the housing feels good. Pretty solid, and I highly recommend. I'm glad I made the investment. this will definitely simplify things for me a little bit. So I'm gonna plug this back in and you're good to go. I'll link this exact kit, and I will also link just the batteries because you can buy those separately as well in a larger quantity, I believe. And I'll link just charging stations as well. And I'll link the shipping scale and the pen light. I'll link some other stuff down below that I use. I'm shooting this right now on an Amazon Basics tripod, which has been good too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and have a good day.